There we go, boys. Leaving St. John's Harbour again now. There's one of the Coast Guard ships going in. One just went in towing a guy. Got a couple of big ships coming there now. There's a better view of Single Hill. See if I can zoom it in a bit. There we go. This is Port Amherst. We need 10,000 now to clean up this area. Then we're off. I don't know, 100 miles I guess to set the pots. And there's the owner, Johnny Dean. And there's Levi Avery. He's the engineer. Gonna be a lovely day on the water. Another ship coming there now. I'm going to give you another view of that one. Surprise ship coming from Hibernia or White Rose there. One of the spots in here. Yes, sir. Got a moose license for the fall there, guys, so it's going to be a moose hunt. Got to get this one on video. That's it. On video he goes the air or not shooting him. Bull only, Black River. I don't know how well you picked her up there. She's a nice ways away there. Give her a couple little zooms there. Nice boat. Yeah, guys, I'm going to sign off this time. Hopefully I get some pictures of some crab coming aboard or in the hole or something. Yeah, anyhow, guys, take care.